In this video, we are going to talk about synchronous and asynchronous communication tools. The first part of this video is going to cover synchronous, and as the video progresses, we're going to see asynchronous. The first synchronous communication tool that we are going to see is Skype. In here, you can add contacts and create chat groups. You can also send instant messages. Just type it and send it. And the contact will reply to you. You can also make phone calls and video calls. Video calls are really important because you can give lectures and provide help if needed outside the classroom. Hello, Judith.
Hello.
Google Hangouts is a great synchronous communication tool, and it is very similar to Skype. In here, you can have instant conversations. You just have to select the contact. Type the message and send it. And the contact will reply to you. You can also make phone calls and video calls. Video calls are a great tool for teachers and students because you can give lectures, feedback, and provide help if needed. In here, you just have to type the email address for the person you want to contact. And click the button Invite.
Hello.
Hi, Judith. As it mentioned,
How are you?
great, and you? As I mentioned, Google Hangouts is a great tool for your classes.
Another tool that allows synchronous communication is Facebook. Facebook allows you to communicate with your students. You can send them direct messages, for example, here. You can start video calls or voice calls. Also, Facebook allows you to start live videos where you can share what you are doing at the moment. You can also share pictures, your location, or other things, and tag your friends and contacts. This way, you can share anything you want with your students at real time.
Now we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp Messenger to communicate with our students. WhatsApp Messenger is an instant messaging application for smartphones. It uses the internet to make voice calls, one-to-one video calls, send text messages, images, videos, documents, user locations, audio files, phone calls, and voice notes to other users using standard cellular mobile numbers. It also incorporates a feature called Status, which allows users to upload photos and videos to a 24-hour lifetime feed that by default are visible to all contacts, similar to the one in Facebook and Instagram stories. Here you have the conversations with your contacts. You can send instant messages to each of them. If you click here, you are going to see your contacts, and you can create a new group where you can communicate with your students. For example, here we are going to add our students and create a new group. You created a group where you can send instant messages to your students. That way you can communicate in real time. Now we are going to learn how to use Instagram to communicate with our students. Instagram is a mobile and internet-based photo sharing application and service that allows users to share pictures and videos either publicly or privately. This is your profile. If you click this little house, you can go to your feed. There you can see what other people post. Instagram also has Instagram stories. Instagram stories are a feature which allows users to take photos or videos and add them to their Instagram story. The images uploaded to the user story expire after 24 hours. Instagram also has a feature where Instagram stories are a live video to connect with your followers in real time. Also, you can send photos, videos, and messages privately to a friend or a group.
Schoology is a great platform for any class. In here, you can put any important upcoming event or anything you want your students to remember. You can also upload grades. Your students are going to be able to see their grades and the feedback you added. Schoology also has a calendar. In here, you can put any important upcoming event, homework, or quizzes. The message option is for you to send a message for your students, and when they see it, they can reply it. Finally, we have the notification icon. In here, your students are going to see if you posted a new grade or feedback in their homework. Facebook is a great social media website. It is used by a lot of people around the world. It is also a great asynchronous communication tool for English language teaching because you can create groups. You have to name it, add a few people, and click the button Create. Then you have to choose an icon. Click the button Accept and you have your group. In this group, you can share important information with your students. Keep contact with them and have group discussions. Publish. In this board, the whole class can be involved. This website has a lot more features, as we saw previously in this video.
Finally, another tool we can use for asynchronous communication is Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a free interactive assessment tool that lets the teacher select a video and easily modify it to make it personal, engaging, and effective. In addition, Edpuzzle contains powerful analytic tools to track each student in the classroom, and it is great for individualized lesson plans. For example, here we have one that's already done, and then we go to search, and we can search, for example, for zoo animals. We get the results, and we can use one, and that one we can modify it. And another tool that allows asynchronous communication is Edmodo. Edmodo is an educational technology company offering communication, collaboration, and coaching tools for schools and teachers. The Edmodo network enables teachers to share content, distribute quizzes, assignments, and manage communication with students, colleagues, and parents. Edmodo allows you to manage groups, create groups, and join groups. This platform is very similar to Moodle and also to Schoology.